looks like it. It looks like it.
Oh no, that's the cat.
I guess I folded the joints and then just kind of a lot harder than my other. It sets off the fire alarm every time it's out there. So this is,
You paid me.
no, it's hated. It's good. No, you.
Hang on. She was hollow. Through it.
Well, no, there's a latch. There's a very rusty latch. Wow. There's a staircase.
I know, I hear scary noises. I heard several scary noises. Well, it's your birthday, so
I'm gonna drop a coin in.
oh no, we should go in. Holy crap, shit! It's the neighbor!
I'm gonna try to get him down.
Are you think we're alone down here? What's that echo?
Hold on, this is.
I think I hear my voice echo. Totally an echo.
So there are.
Neighbor Bill, how are you down here at the courthouse? Let me cut your hand. Let me cut your ropes here with my. Nothing at you, Lord George. There we go.
Strange, I thought I was tied to the wall, but apparently there was a second rope.
Oh! He's fighting against my metal arm! Guy has nice feet, though.
I've got some screw pellet right here. Take that little bastard.
Hey guys, while I was down here, I couldn't help notice that you still have my lawnmower.
This is busted anyway.
No, it's not.
So it's not work.
Yeah, it is still busted.
You don't talk to my dad like
Hey,
that.
that's just out of gas. Let's put some gas in it. Hang on.
That's $19 a gallon, asshole.
It's my lawnmower!
Not anymore. I'm trying to back up, Dad.
You're tying me back up?
Yeah.
You know which rope, the little tiny one? I can't see it.